guys, so I'm in my living room. Okay, I was just in here because I want you to see my dog since you haven't seen her, so, and all YouTubers want to show their dogs sometimes, so here's my dog. Where can I get her in here? Hi, Abby. Look at. Hope you can see her. She's in the black. That's her right there. She's a black lab. So, yeah, she's a really cute dog. Aren't you, Abby? Aren't you? Yeah, I know this was really short, but my batteries are gonna die, so I'm gonna end this video right here. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and see you later. Please subscribe for the last video I took as well, and this video. Please leave a comment in the description below, and I really need subscribers. Please, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Peace.